Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Onshape tutorial how to rotate part. As example, I will create sketch and choose top plane. The next I will draw rectangle from the origin point into here and then use the extrude tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to rotate this part, you can use the transform tools. Click this icon, transform, and then you can select entities, select the object. We can change the option in here, transform type. We can set into rotate. You can set for axis, like I will click at this edge to rotate, and you can set for the angles like 90 degree. Click OK to apply. So I will rotate again by using transform tools. Select the object and change for the transform type into rotate. For the axis, I will select at this point, and I will check for copy part, and you can set angles like into 90 degree. Click OK to apply. So we rotate by copy the selected object. Okay, that's it for basic Onshape tutorial how to rotate part. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.